Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2019 Yamaha Wolverine X4. We've done some upgrades on this one and wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about what we've done. You are looking at a Wolverine X4 with 30s on it, baby. Check that out. How did we accomplish that? With the high lifter lift. You can fit a 30 on there. You're also looking at the Tusk bead locks and the 30-10-14 terabytes. It's a great tire for the highway use. Here in Utah, we can make any side-by-side or ATV street legal like a car. So we've got a lot of tire upgrade options, and this is one of the most popular ones. You're also looking at the full Yamaha windshield. You can take this windshield on and off, very simple. Just undoing the quick clamps, and you can actually mount it onto the back if you'd like. We've also installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on this machine. To activate the kit, it's going to be just like in your car. Down's going to be left. You can see the indicator light up on the dash letting you know the turn signals are on. On the front here, the 3/4 inch round lights. You can actually mount these lights anywhere you'd like that you could drill a 3/4 inch round hole. What we love about the Ryco kit is it ties into the stock taillight housings, as you see here. You also have horn button integrated into the end of the lever and the 4-way hazard function. What do you guys think of that Wolverine with the 30-inch tire on it? How about that ground clearance? For those of you that are doing some Moab stuff, out in the mud, you're going to love that lift on there. If you have any questions or need any help, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com or shoot me a text. My name's Jared, 435-851-3637. Have a great day, everybody. Again, if you have any questions, post up in the comments below, or simply give us a call, shoot me a text. Have a great day.